All right, here we go. This is the MERK session brought to you by the North Carolina Tar Heels. Let's let this replay go. We got to spill this. This guy's coming in free. He's got to get under that. That's blocked, blocked, blocked. Standing back there waiting. Hello. Got to get downhill. Missed tackle. Up. You can't wait back there on one back. But you're going to see plenty more as they ran for 500 yards. MERK. 65. Those uniforms is tight though, Miami. All right, here we go. They pretty much lined up in Kings. You'll see this guy won't contain the play. The ball's handed off over here. The center hikes the ball and blocks you. How can that happen? No contain, which is a common theme in college football. Hell, even in the pros. MERK. All right, here it is from the end zone. I would like this guy to spill, and I want this backer to line up here and this backer to line up there. But pull. He's got to get under. This guy comes under instead of staying outside. That's the MERK lane he needed. Hat on a hat. Hello? Bye-bye. MERK. MERK. All right, bringing it back. Common thing we see. Heavy run team, and this DN is just running upfield to air, leaving all these guys to get blocked or run out the way. He's not even blocked, and he can't even get there. MERK. 12 yards. Here it is again. Both sides of the ball, you'll see the DNs don't hit anybody. Like, no one's getting hit. He's unblocked. Next play. I'll just let you watch it. Parental advisory warning. This gets ugly. All right, here it is again, bringing it back. Again, DNs aren't doing anything. I'm going to go ahead and introduce you guys to the MERK slide. Overruns the play. Cut back. MERK slide. Here comes another MERK slide. Give it to me. Hello. Bye-bye. MERK. All right, they come back out from halftime. Got everything fixed, right? Nope. MERK. 15, 20, 22 yards. MERK. 2 gaps removed. He's got to stay here. He gets up outside him, cuts him off. MERK. One guy. Take the hoodie off. All right, here we go. 2nd and 26. Same personnel, Kings. Both backs have 100 yards. And MERK. On the number 10 team in the country. This is the best job I've seen of somebody acting like they want to make a tackle. Get there. Wait. Both backs have 107 yards. What was he waiting for? MERK. All right, here's something I want you to check out right here. Dude looks pretty big. I've been checking him out. I don't think they're using him right. They had him just chasing ghosts all day. But here's something I didn't like to see from him. These fools have been kicking your ass. He tackles the hell out of you, pancake flips you, lands all on you, and then you help him up? What? No. He almost put you in protocol. All right, here we go again. 1st and 20. No ed set. Running outside. MERK. 19 yards. I mean, watch the DN just hop inside and pop a bag of popcorn and just watch. The guy up top runs outside as he thinks that's contained. He just hops inside and stands here and watches the guy. This guy just runs outside by himself. I'll bring it back. You see him hop inside. Instead of coming and pressing this guy, he chooses a side and just hops outside. Makes it an easy read. Open space. MERK. 19. Listen to what the announcer says.
Back them up. Convert. Yeah, they get the ball to the outside, but watch the safeties and linebackers. Watch them try to get off blocks. They're just kind of stepping out of the way. I mean,
stepping out of the way.
The tight end didn't even have to make a block.
They didn't have to make a block.
The backers are just kind of olaying and getting out of the way.
Ole. Watch how he just bankhead bounces down the middle of the field. Just right at him. 6 yards. MERK. 300 yards. 300 yards rushing. Number 10 team in the nation.
Gets up to that backer and plenty of room to run.
Williams bounces in again. That's to his toe.
MERK.
The people still go, but he's just having fun tonight. He's still running. Then dragged down inside the 20. Relentless. He didn't care what the score is. He's just having the time of his life out there.
All right, here we go. Replay. They're bringing a blitz, so move over. Look, he's still sitting there. No one's blocking him. Then he goes under this guy, MERK. 15, like I said, I like him. He looks solid, but you ran all the way over there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. MERK.
This defense, everybody nice in, and again, he's able to
No,
bounce out, and then he
watch out.
look at the balance.
MERK. Ooh, spin move on you?
Balance and the determination.
Oh, double spin move. Oh, nah.
Against his defense.
Double spin move, canvas lifting, Mr. T having 200 yards on 15 carries, 2 tubs. Averaging 13.3 on number 10 team. MERK.
It's a testament to his confidence. He's not short of that.
I just can't anymore.
Carter in the seam, in the clear, foot race.
That's your big D, and I'm running harder than your safety. MERK.
Joins Javonte Williams over 200 yards rushing.
Watch the center's block here. They open.
Why do they have this guy taking the quarterback? He's just standing there. He's standing there. Oh, he almost did the MERK dance. Hello? Bye-bye. I happen to know this very well. I don't know why the coach keeps letting this big monster take a guy that's never carrying the ball while this guy stands there and hops out the way to let this guy run down MERK lane. 2 backs with 200? MERK. This is ugly. In the third quarter, 2 backs with 200 yards. I always talk about these backers, but these D linemen aren't doing nothing. These hat on the hat. Great job by North Carolina. Just leaning. Get this tackle. Get off this block. North Carolina doing a good job melting these boys. Big Uglies up front getting it done. All right, just real quick. Just off of if you never was an offensive coordinator before, looking at this formation on how they lined up, which way would you run the ball? The handoff on the back on the right is going to go left. What side would you run the ball to, the left or the right? You make the call.
To lock in on that, you get some one-on-one, but it's been really all about the run.
Hello?
Third and 9 in his hand.
Bye-bye.
And they're going to make it for Carter. Banging down first and
I don't even know what the alignment is. MERK.
additional calls on third down. Just hand the ball off and they're
Yeah.
I mean, look, everybody else is over here. He lines up out there and still ends up inside. I don't get what this standing up stuff is doing. He comes inside. I don't know, man. Too many teams are having these guys stand up and they don't know what they're doing.
so
All right, the rest is so bad. I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm just gonna let it go.
is that you try to get some separation from those guys. Oh, Carter again. Oh my goodness, spinning, twisting, adding to his total. Finally banged out inside the 10. These guys are just indefatigable.
Night, digging themselves back into that football game and getting it into overtime. In fact, Notre Dame needed that last drive in regulation to get it into overtime.
Williams yet again breaking tackles. He's broken tackles and broken the will of this defense, but he's so much
MERK.
That's back so much room to work with.
Carter, short game.
He's sick. Hey, the announcers don't even want to announce. Carter, short game. He got 8 yards on first down. MERK.
This season, as a lot of folks have the sports information. We talked about the last time 2 Power 5 backs had gone over 200, negative 300-yard rusher.
Most rushing yards by teammates in FBS history.
When you showed up here in the nick of time, did you think you'd see NCAA rushing history made against this Miami defense today?
No, not at all. Completely worth that helicopter ride over here.
You know, how did you do with your picks while on the helicopter? You might have discovered something. Because, you know, on dry land, they haven't been as good.
No, I'm not good on the upset specials. What are they, the Super Dogs?
Superdog. 69 years young in August. He's not same age as Saban. Williams bounces in and then just outraces the defense to the pylon for his third touchdown. And the Tar Heels up over 60 this afternoon. And Williams with 236 continues to add to that record. Is he too exhausted to throw the hands up in the air? Finally, he may have worn out.
No, I don't think he is at all. 10 yards a carry, 236 yards. It's a night you dream about for both these backs.
I talked to Carter. I said, so you guys are going to be sitting next to each other in your rocking chairs years and years from now talking about your careers. I said, absolutely.